Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 20A from chapter Cylinder, Cone and Sphere. So starting with question number 14, find the minimum length in centimeter and correct to nearest whole number of the thin metal sheet required to make a hollow and closed cylindrical box of diameter 20 centimeter and height 35 centimeter. Given that the width of the metal sheet is 1 meter, also find the cost of the sheet at the rate of rupees 56 per meter. Find the area of metal sheet required if 10% of it is wasted in cutting, overlapping, etc. Now, it is a very long question, ठीक है? You have to read it carefully. You have to find the length in centimeter and correct to nearest whole number. That is, you have to round it off to whole number. Of the thin metal sheet required, length of the metal sheet you have to find. There is a metal sheet, ठीक है? This metal sheet is used to make a closed hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder है, but it is closed. You are going to make a hollow cylinder of that sheet. Okay? So एक hollow cylinder बना है उस sheet से. Now let's say there is a rectangular sheet like this. ठीक है? There is a big sheet and this sheet is being used to make a hollow cylinder. So you are making a hollow cylinder. पूरा अंदर से empty है, but you are also covering the surfaces. So there is a little bigger sheet, ठीक है? उसमें से cut करके then you will be covering the top and bottom part of the cylinder. So there is a rectangular sheet जिसमें से you are making a hollow cylinder but closed cylinder. Alright, so you are making a hollow closed cylindrical box of diameter 20 centimeter and height 35 centimeter. You are given cylinder ka dimensions as well as dimension of this rectangular sheet. This sheet और इसी sheet में से you are making the cylinder. So there is this sheet जिसका length you have to find. We don't know the length, but we are given the width of the sheet. The width of the metal sheet is 1 meter. Okay, you have to find the cost of the sheet. Cost find करेंगे after you know the area, and area कब मिलेगा? When you know the length of the sheet. Okay, so this sheet का length find करना and then the cost. Find the area of the metal sheet required if 10% of it is wasted in cutting, overlapping, etc. We'll come to this part later on. पहले ये part पे focus करते हैं, ठीक है? So this is very easy. Now length we don't know. Okay, we have to find it in centimeter. कितना सेंटीमीटर है? And we are given the breadth. Breadth is 1 meter. ठीक है? And this metal sheet का we are making cylinder. तो cylinder का क्या dimensions दिया हुआ है देखते हैं. ये जो cylinder बनाया है, it is covered. ठीक है? Closed and hollow cylinder. यहाँ पे closed बोला गया है. Now this cylindrical box has diameter 20 centimeter. D दिया हुआ है. Okay, that is 20 centimeter. तो R क्या हो जाएगा? 10 centimeter. And height बोला गया है, that is 35 centimeter. Okay, this is the height of the cylinder. So we have R, we have H. तो हम लोग easily इसका area find कर सकते हैं. इसका जो area होगा, this area will be equal to the area of the cylinder. Okay? You are using this to make the curved surface area as well as the circular disc that covers the top and bottom of the cylinder. Alright? So we'll find the total surface area of the cylinder. What is the total surface area of cylinder? It is 2 pi r h plus r. We know the formula. So this 2 pi r h plus r will be equal to length into breadth of this metal sheet. Okay, this whole area is used up in this. Okay, so this area is equal to this area. Okay. First for the metal sheet. So for metal sheet, what are we given? We are given that length we don't know and breadth is equal to 1 मीटर, ठीक है, and is equal to 100 centimeter. This is what we are given. Now for hollow closed cylinder, for the hollow closed cylinder we are given the diameter, not radius. Diameter बोला गया है 20 centimeter. Okay, therefore radius क्या हो जाएगा 20/2, that gives 10 centimeter, and the height, that is 35 centimeter. Okay, what we have to find is the area, ठीक है, total surface area of this closed cylinder. So this total surface area will be equal to this. Once we get the total surface area, we can easily find the length, ठीक है, because we know area of this thing is equal to area of the metal sheet. So total surface area of hollow closed cylinder will be 2 pi r h plus r. That is nothing but 2 into 22/7 into r is 10 into h plus r, that is 10 plus 35, ठीक है. चेक करो, दिस ऑल इज इन सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है, तो इट इज इन सेंटीमीटर थ्रू आउट. मेक श्योर देर इज, यू डोंट हैव डिफरेंट यूनिट्स. ओके, ऑल आर इन सेम, ऑल आर हैविंग द सेम यूनिट्स. सो यहाँ पे ऑल आर सेम यूनिट्स, बट फॉर मेटल शीट यू आर गिवन ब्रेड्थ हैज 1 मीटर. ऑल राइट, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू कन्वर्ट इट टू सेंटीमीटर्स. Now we'll keep this as it is, ठीक है, don't multiply because we are going to equate this equal to this into 10 into 45, ठीक है, 10 plus 35 will give 45. So this is the total surface area of closed hollow cylinder. The metal sheet is used to make closed hollow cylinder. Therefore, area of metal sheet used is equal to area, total surface area. You have to write down full statement, ठीक है, is equal to total surface area of the closed hollow cylinder. Why I am writing closed? It is important to write hollow cylinder का area is different than the closed hollow cylinder, ठीक है. Closed hollow cylinder का total surface area is same as that of a normal solid cylinder that we consider. So इसका total surface area is what? 2 into 22/7 into 10 into 45. Area of metal sheet is what? Length into breadth. Length we don't know, breadth we know. It is 100 centimeter. Don't forget to convert this into centimeters, ठीक है. You have to substitute centimeter वाला value, not meter वाला value, because over here on the right hand side all of these are having centimeter वाला unit, so don't forget that. 2 into 22/7 into 10 into 45. We'll shift the 100 over here. Okay, so if we shift this, it will come in denominator. So this 100 will be shifted in denominator. It was a numerator over here, ठीक है. So this gets cancelled. 2 5s are 5 9s are 45, ठीक है. So we are left with 22 into 9/7. Okay, we'll multiply 22 into 9 and then divide by 7. Now this gives 198/7. This gives 28.285 something, but you have to round it off to closest number. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 28.3. Okay, 28.3 is closest to 28, ठीक है, than 29. So 28 पे राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. सो दिस इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू 28 सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है. सो लेंथ इन सेंटीमीटर्स फाइंड करना. दैट इज वाई वी कन्वर्टेड ऑल दीज इन सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. वी डिड नॉट कीप इट इन मीटर्स. So we got 28 centimeter, that is the length of the metal sheet. So L is 28 centimeter. Now we got length of the metal sheet equal to 28 centimeter. This is the rounded off value. We have to find the cost of the sheet at the rate of rupees 56 per meter. It should be meter square. Okay, there is a mistake. We have to find the cost of the sheet. Obviously we are going to find the cost of the area of the sheet. So we have to find the area of the sheet for that. So area of metal sheet required is length into breadth. Now length is 28 and breadth is 100. Both are in centimeter. ठीक है. This is 28 and breadth we had got 1 meter, that is 100 centimeter. So this is going to be 2800 centimeter square. But we are given that the rate is 56 per meter square. So what we have to do, we have to convert this also into meter square. So if we convert this into meter square, we'll divide it by 100 and again 100. Okay. Why? Because सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है, मतलब सेंटीमीटर इंटू सेंटीमीटर. तो 1 सेंटीमीटर को जब मैं मीटर में करती हूँ तो आई डिवाइड बाय 100. तो इसको भी करूँगी तो आई डिवाइड बाय 100 अगेन. सो फॉर 1 सेंटीमीटर आई एम डिवाइडिंग बाय 100 एंड अगेन फॉर अनदर सेंटीमीटर आई एम डिवाइडिंग बाय 100. If it would have been centimeter cube, then I would have divided by 100 again. Okay. So please keep that in mind, that if you are converting centimeter square into meter square, you divide by 10,000. Okay. So we are dividing by 10,000. Or if you want to make it easy, क्या करो, पहले ही इसको convert कर लो in meter. If you convert this into meter earlier only, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? This is 0.28 meter. तो length will become 0.28 meters and breadth is 1 meter. So what will be the area? 1 into 0.28, that is 0.28 meters square. This is what is the answer. If I would have divided by 100 only once, what would I get? I would have got 28 meters square. So that is wrong, because I should get 0.28 meters square. So this will get cancelled, and if I divide this by 100, it will become 0.28 meter square. So area of metal sheet required is 0.28 meter square. You can follow this method or you can divide it, okay, earlier only, find both in meters and then find the area, or then divide by 10,000. Okay. So this is the area required. Now we have to find the cost of the sheet required. So area of metal sheet required is 0.28 meters square. So cost of 1 meter square of metal sheet is rupees 56. So cost of 0.28 meters square of metal sheet is 0.28 into 56. That will give you 15.68 rupees. So cost is 15.68 rupees for this area, 0.28 meters square of metal sheet. Coming to the last part of the question, find the area of the metal sheet required if 10% of it is wasted in cutting, overlapping, etc. Now area of sheet used for making cylinder is this much. ठीक है, 0.28 meter square, that is 2800 centimeter square. But there is some extra sheet that is left, okay, which is wasted in cutting, overlapping, etc. There was this sheet, ठीक है, आउट ऑफ दैट यू मेड द सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट, ठीक है, इतना यूज़ किया, कवर कर लिया, ओके, तो वी मेड दिस राउंड पार्ट आउट ऑफ दैट, ठीक है, वी मेड राउंड पार्ट, देन वी कवर्ड दिस, तो इसमें से थोड़ा सा राउंड कट किया, इसमें से थोड़ा सा राउंड कट किया एंड वी स्टिक्ड इट ओवर हियर, ठीक है, तो इतना शीट बच गया, ऑलराइट। सो ये जो बच गया है शीट इतना सारा, दिस पार्ट दैट हैज़ रिमेन्ड, दिस इज यूज्ड इन ओवरलैपिंग, कटिंग, जो कटिंग किया है उसमें से थोड़ा सा वेस्ट होगा, रेस्ट ऑफ इट इज यूज्ड फॉर ओवरलैपिंग, ठीक है, फॉर मेकिंग श्योर दैट यहाँ पे साइड से इट इज ज्वाइंड. So some amount of 10% of this metal sheet is wasted in that. Now how much total area of metal sheet was there? This is the amount used for making the cylinder, but total कितना था we don't know. So let us take it as x. Okay, so let's say that the total area of metal sheet is some centimeter square or some meter square. So let the actual area of metal sheet used be x centimeter square. You can take meter square. ठीक है, सिर्फ आंसर का पॉइंट का डिफरेंस आएगा, दैट्स इट. सो इट इज x सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो दिस x में से हाउ मच इज वेस्टेड? This x में से 10% of it is wasted. So x minus 10% of x, ठीक है. So 10% of x waste हो गया एंड बाकी का हम लोग ने यूज़ किया. So x minus 10% of x, कितना यूज़ किया है हम लोग ने? इतना यूज़ किया है, ठीक है. सो टोटल माइनस उसमें से 10% निकाल दिया जो हम लोग ने एक्स्ट्रा यूज़ किया था फॉर कटिंग, ओवरलैपिंग एंड स्टफ, तो वो सबट्रैक्ट कर दिया. सो वी यूज्ड दिस मच, ओके, दैट इज द एग्जैक्ट जो हम लोग ने मेजर किया था. सो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू वंस अगेन. लेट्स से ये पूरा एक्स वाला एरिया वाला शीट है, ठीक है. द एरिया ऑफ दिस शीट इज x सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर and 10% of it is wasted. This much we use for the circular part, ठीक है, curved surface area. Rest of them you use for the cylinder को cover करने के लिए, for making the closed cylinder. So this much part that is wasted, okay, this part is 10%. सो ये 10% हम लोग ने सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया इसमें से. वी काउंटेड ओनली दिस पार्ट एंड दिस पार्ट. सो दिस होल एरिया माइनस 10% जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा? दिस प्लस दिस इज नथिंग बट 2800. दैट इज द सिलेंडर दैट वी हैड मेड आउट ऑफ दिस. सो एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू दिस x minus 10 upon 100 into x, so that is equal to 2800, which gives x minus x upon 10 is equal to 2800. I'll cross multiply 10x minus x upon 10 is equal to 2800. So 9x is equal to 2800 into 10. Okay, I'll take 9 over here on the other side. सो क्या हो जाएगा? x इज इक्वल टू 2800 इंटू 10 अपॉन 9. ओके, सो आई डिवाइड 28 by 9. दिस गिव्स यू 3111 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, 311111 आ रहा है, ठीक है, 0.11. सो यू टेक इट एज 3111. ऑल राइट, सो 3111 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज द एक्चुअल एरिया ऑफ द शीट एंड आउट ऑफ दैट 2800 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज यूज्ड फॉर दैट पर्पज. नाउ यू कैन कीप दिस इन सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर और यू कैन राइट डाउन दैट इसको मीटर स्क्वायर में किया तो डिवाइड बाई 10,000. डिवाइड बाई 10,000 मतलब 4 zeros होगा. So it will shift 4 places to the left. So it will become 0.3111 meter square. So you can keep it like this or in meter square. Okay. Moving on to next question. Question number 15. 3080 centimeter cube of water is required to fill a cylindrical vessel completely, and 2310 centimeter cube of water is required to fill it up to 5 centimeter below the top. Find first part the radius of the vessel, second part height of the vessel, and third part wetted surface area of vessel when it is half filled with water. Now 3080 centimeter cube of water. Centimeter cube means it is volume. So that much volume of water, that much amount of water is required to fill a cylindrical vessel completely. Okay. So volume of water required to fill a cylinder completely, okay, is 3080 centimeter cube. Means this volume is the volume of the cylinder. Okay, you're filling the cylinder completely. All right, एक cylinder है, उसको completely water से fill कर दिया. Okay, तो वो volume दिया गया है 3080. So obviously if it is filling it completely, that is the volume of the vessel as well, that is the volume of the cylinder. So I can say volume of the cylinder is 3080 centimeter cube. Now what is the volume of the cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So pi r square h is equal to 3080 centimeter cube. Now 2310 centimeter cube of water is required to fill it up to 5 centimeter below the top. Now we are filling the water second case में, but it is 5 centimeter below the top, not till the top, थोड़ा नीचे, up to here. Okay, so 5 centimeter कट कर दिया. Initially what was the height? Initially हम लोग फाइंड करते हैं. In first case what we are given, volume we are given, it is 3080. Okay, we have some height. Okay, height is h and radius is r centimeter. Okay, second case में, in this case you are filling it completely, and in this case you are filling it 5 centimeter below the top. ठीक है, ऊपर से 5 सेंटीमीटर कम है. सो ऊपर से 5 सेंटीमीटर कम है, बट व्हाट इज द टोटल हाइट? वी नो टोटल हाइट क्या है, 8 सेंटीमीटर. सो h में से 5 सेंटीमीटर कम हो जाएगा. ऑल राइट, सो वॉल्यूम है 2310 centimeter cube. Height will be what? It is h minus 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter below the height of the cylinder. So h में से 5 subtract कर दिया. Radius will remain the same. ठीक है. Second case में if you are filling the water, it is occupying the same amount of circumference. उतना ही area circular part में occupy कर रहा है. So radius is same. Now we have to find the radius of the vessel, height of the vessel first. We'll come to the third part later on. So radius and height find करना है. So radius is r over here and height दोनों केस में दिया हुआ है. First case completely filled, that is 8 centimeter, and second case h minus 5 centimeter. Okay. So starting with the first case, when the water is completely filled, so ठीक है, in first case water is completely filled. ठीक है, ये पूरा लिख ही दो. इन फर्स्ट केस वाटर इज कंप्लीटली फिलिंग द cylindrical vessel. All right. So volume of water required to fill the cylinder completely is 3080 centimeter cube. Okay. Cylinder is completely filled, so this is equal to the volume of the cylinder as well. So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of water required. You'll write the same statement. ठीक है, I'm not writing down. Volume of water required to fill the cylinder completely is equal to the volume of cylinder required. Okay, sorry, volume of cylinder. So this is equal to 3080. Volume of cylinder is 3080. That is pi r square h is equal to 3080. We have to write down over here. Let r be the radius of the cylinder and h be the height of the cylinder. ठीक है. So we'll write down in the beginning, let radius of cylinder be r centimeter and height of cylinder be h centimeter. ठीक है. Now coming to the second case. So in second case, what is happening? The water is filled 5 centimeter below the top. So water is filled up to 5 centimeter below the top. So therefore height of water level is equal to h minus 5 centimeter. ठीक है. So and radius will remain the same. So volume of water, okay, filled is equal to pi r square into h minus 5. Volume of water filled is how much? It is equal to, it is given 2310. ठीक है. Pi r square into h minus 5. Now pi r square h minus pi r square into 5, that is 5 pi r square हो जाएगा. ठीक है. I opened the brackets, pi r square multiplied by h minus 5 pi r square is equal to 2310. Pi r square h is what? It is 3080. ठीक है. So 2310 is equal to 3080 minus 5 pi r square. All right. Now I'll shift this over here and this over here. ठीक है. ये negative sign है, so to make it positive I'll shift it over here. So 5 pi r square is equal to 3080 minus 2310. So 5, let me shift this also. So r square is 3080 minus 2310. That will give me 770 upon 5 pi will go in denominator. ठीक है. यहाँ पे multiplied है तो दूसरी साइड पे जाएगा तो it will divide. So r square is equal to 770 upon 5. Pi is in denominator, so क्या हो जाएगा? 22 will be in denominator, 7 will go in the numerator. All right. 11 2s are 11, 7s are and 0. All right. 2 35s are 5 7s are. Okay. So 7 into 7. So r square is equal to 49. Therefore r will be 7 centimeters. ठीक है. So we got the radius. You have to give reason over here. After this step, r is equal to 7 मिल रहा है, you have to write down taking square root on both the sides. So we got r, so the radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeters. We found the radius of the cylinder. Okay, now we have to find the height of the cylinder, height of the vessel. So second part is finding the height. Now we know pi r square h is equal to 3080. Okay, we know r, we know pi, so we can easily find h. It is 3080 upon pi r square. 3080 upon 22, ये 7 न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा. ठीक है, r square, so 7 into 7, 7 gets cancelled. All right, 2 11s are 2, it will become 15 and 1540. This will also get cancelled. 11 1s are 11, 4 बचेगा 44, 11 4s are 0. Okay, 140 upon 7 हो गया, that is nothing but 20. So height is 20 centimeters. So second part भी मिल गया, we got the height of the vessel. Third part में we have to find wetted surface area of vessel when it is half filled with water. Now vessel जब half भरा होगा तो what will be the height of the water? Complete height is 20 centimeter. तो half filled होगा तो height क्या होगा? 10 centimeter. All right, you'll divide it by 2. So height will be 10, radius we know is 7. Okay, so wetted surface area find करना है, not volume, surface area find करना है. So surface area क्या हो जाएगा? Internal surface will be wet, so curved surface उतना wet होगा as the cylinder. ठीक है, half filled है, so इतना filled है, तो height कितना हो जाएगा? 10 centimeter. Radius we know is 7 centimeter. Now internal part will be wet. All right, so curved surface area उतना wet होगा, so that curved surface area we have to find, plus the base of the cylinder will be wet. All right, so plus base का area is what? Pi r square. All right, so this half cylinder का area plus the base का area is going to give you the total area that is wetted. All right, so we'll find that now. Moving to the third part of the question, when the vessel is half filled, okay, the height of water level is 10 centimeter. ठीक है, all right, so therefore half vessel will get wet. All right, half vessel will be wet when filled with water. So area of vessel, okay, that will get wet when half filled with water will be equal to curved surface area of half cylinder. ठीक है, नॉट फुल सिलेंडर. फुल सिलेंडर का कर्व सर्फेस एरिया हम लोग नहीं फाइंड करेंगे. हाफ फिल्ड है तो हाफ ही कर्व सर्फेस एरिया वेट होगा, प्लस पाई आर स्क्वेयर, दैट इज द बेस. ओके, सो कर्व सर्फेस एरिया हाफ हो जाएगा 2 पाई आर एच. एच ऑलरेडी हम लोग ने हाफ कर दिया है, Okay, so you don't need to divide by 2 now. Plus pi r square, 2 pi rh, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 7 into h is 10. Don't take it 20. ठीक है, if you are taking it 20 you have to divide it by 2. Plus 22 upon 7 into r square is 7 into 7 हो जाएगा. This gets cancelled. Even this gets cancelled. 2 into 22 into 10, that gives you 440 plus 22 into 7 gives 154. ठीक है, so that will give me 594 centimeters square. All right, so wetted surface area of vessel when it is half filled with water is 594 centimeter square.